We've seen the last several years AI getting bolted into existing tools. Chatbot here, a suggestion panel there, but Copilot Agent Mode in Word, now officially called Edit with Copilot, is something different. It's the first time it actually feels like AI is working with you inside of a document and not just alongside of you providing suggestions. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get the most out of the Edit with Copilot feature inside of Word. Well, my name is Devin Knight. I'm the president of Pragmatic Works Training. And again, in this video, we're going to be focused on Agent Mode, or also known as Edit with Copilot inside of Word. You'll hear some people still call it Agent Mode, and it's a really apt name. It makes sense for it to be called Agent Mode because it is essentially an agent inside of Word. There's a key difference, though, as opposed to regular Copilot that'll provide you suggestions. Here's how you can do things. It'll give you instructions. The difference here is Agent Mode will actually make those tangible changes inside of your documents right away. So using the Edit with Copilot works that way, where content can be added, rewrites can happen, applying formatting can all happen inside of your document using Word's built-in styles. And it also can help with reorganizing things inside of your document, all in one place, while you stay focused on the ideas that you have, and you can think of this tool as really your co-creator. That's ultimately our goal here, is we want to have that side-by-side agent helping us along the way. You almost like having another person's hands on the keyboards with you. Now, under the hood, Edit with Copilot, or Agent Mode, uses something that Microsoft calls Work IQ. That's the intelligent engine powering Microsoft 365 Copilot. So Work IQ isn't just a generic AI, it learns how you work and connects to your organization's data in a good way, right? It's going to help you connect into files you have saved in SharePoint and OneDrive, emails in your Outlook, calendar, your meetings and Teams, so that you ask it to do something and it can actually pull context from anything that you have stored inside of Microsoft's ecosystem. Now, accessing Edit with Copilot is pretty simple. Let's take a look at how to do it together here. All right, so to get started with Edit with Copilot, we're going to go up to the Copilot button inside of Word, launch Copilot, and you'll actually see it's kind of the default now. Mine actually already has Agent Mode or Edit with Copilot turned on. Yours may say Agent Mode. It may say Edit with Copilot, just depending on the version you happen to be running. But what we're going to do is we're going to leverage this to be able to modify this document that I have. So I have a document here that has discovery call notes from a customer conversation. This is all fake, of course, but I want to be able to take the information in here and add in maybe what Copilot might suggest would be a good offering from my company based on information that I have stored inside of my sales PowerPoint deck. So what something might look like here is I'll go over to the Edit with Copilot Agent Mode on the right-hand side, and I will bring in a prompt that I have. And what I essentially wanted to do is to review this document of notes from a call and suggest the best offering found in this PowerPoint deck. And then whenever you want to refer to a specific file that you have saved, you would use the / here. And I would tell it that I wanted to refer to a PowerPoint deck I have called Training and Services Offerings, found right here. So Training and Services Offerings, the PowerPoint deck that I have that I want to call on. And so I'm going to have Copilot review the document, look at my PowerPoint, and add in sections of notes to basically provide recommendations on what we think might be a good fit for our services based on the notes that we have in this Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this off, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks like it's made some suggestions. Now, keep in mind, without Agent Mode, it would not actually update our document like you're seeing here. Otherwise, it would actually just provide suggestions in the side panel here. But with Agent Mode turned on, we're actually able to see those suggestions provided. So I can see that the PowerPoint deck that was referred to here looked at the content that we had inside this Word document and made numerous recommendations based on what might be the best fit for this particular customer. Now I can see that content here inside of the actual side pane, but I can also see it added inside the document itself. That's the text that you see in blue. Now we could say that we want to keep those suggestions, or we could continue to modify inside of the pane on the right-hand side. So I could say, hey, we want to build it kind of approach, meaning we want to build it for you versus we want to teach you how to build it. So we could continue to add suggestions and it would refine this a little bit more. So if I select focus recommendations on we build it approach and hit go, it'll continue to make refinements to the recommendations that are inside of my document. All right, so we can see the new recommendations provided, taking more of a we build it for you approach, which is pretty cool. Very cool. So it's now recommended things that are more appropriate based on the suggestions we provided. Now I have another document open that we're going to bring over, And in this new document, we're going to be looking at monthly consultant travel summaries. So let's say, for example, in my role, I'm required to report back to accounting a summary of the expenses that we had for our consultants and break it down by transportation, hotel and lodging, and a number of other categories. And so what I want to be able to do is leverage Edit with Copilot or Agent Mode to be able to take a Word document and inject in information or even data that I have from an Excel spreadsheet into that Word document. So let's do this. Let's go to this new document I have open, my monthly travel report file, and I'm going to go back over to Copilot. Ensure that you have Edit with Copilot or Agent Mode turned on right here. There we go. And we're going to do our first prompt here. And I'm going to tell it that I want it to look and add after each paragraph, except for the introduction. So skip the introduction paragraph. But I wanted to add a table breaking down the expenses for each consultant. And I have an Excel file that I can point to here called Consultant Travel Expenses right there. And I wanted to inject information from that Excel file into this Word document. So let's see what happens if I do that. All right, so it looks like it's wrapping up here. We can scroll through and see what it's done. It's added in the expenses for travel here. We can see the hotel and lodging here in that subcategory. We can see food listed here. So pretty good. It's added in the table having that information inside of our Word document. Now, if we want, we can add maybe a summary paragraph at the end. So maybe I want a paragraph at the end that kind of summarizes everything that we have. So I could have another prompt here that says, build a summary paragraph at the end, summarizing the expenses for all categories, and then add a table that summarizes each category of expenses mentioned. The data comes, again, from the consultant travel expenses. So let's point to that. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and fire that off again. All right, there you go. It looks like now we've added this new paragraph that we just mentioned, giving us a summary of all categories, and then adding another table that summarizes it here as well. So while we see individual expenses listed inside of each paragraph or below each paragraph, we have a final overall summary and then summarized by category. But let's say I want to do this one more time. I want to add another table looking back at that file that adds a summary that groups by the consultant. And we want to have a separate one that groups by the client as well. So we're adding a couple more tables at the end here. Again, referencing that same file. It should have that in context. If it doesn't work the first time, you can always try it again. All right, so it's just gotten done with that. It's added 2 more tables. Now, the formatting here is less than ideal. We can do a few things in there, of course, to fix that. But it looks like now it's added in new tables here, summarizing the expenses by consultant, summarizing the expenses by client. And of course, like I said, we can adjust the formatting of these things here with inside of that. This is regular Word. It looks like it's tried to store it all as one table here. Some simple adjustments here, and we can make that work. But again, the power here is showing how you can use Agent Mode or Create with Copilot to intermingle multiple files together to be able to take what you have from a PowerPoint or take what you have from Excel and bring it into a Word document. You can create content inside of Word from scratch, or you can create content based on other existing content that you already have. So really powerful stuff. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Copilot, make sure you take a look at our on-demand learning at Pragmatic Works. We have loads of Copilot training to help improve your skills and make it so that your prompt writing, as well as your interaction with Copilot through the various Office tools, is at peak performance. And that's part of what we're showing you here is how to enhance your capabilities and make your Copilot experience even better. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe and like to find more videos like this one. Thanks a lot.